This old guy DIY video has to do with the technique that I use to make a ridge for covering a pontoon boat with a tarp. So since the prices of 2x4s are down to $3.50 a piece, I was able to do this whole job for $22. And all I did is took 3 2x4s, mended them together in the middle with some 1/2-inch pieces of OSB. You see I put one on each side. And then I took a 2x4 and I cut it in half so it's 48 inches tall. Just put a couple pieces of scrap wood there that I can allow this 2x4 to just fit into. And then at the base I cut some pieces 15 inches long and I just put them in that orientation so it's nice and stable. And now what I'm going to do is take this structure, I'll just take these 2 legs and set them in the pontoon. In this case the pontoon is 22 feet long. So my 24 feet of 2x4 will be plenty. And after I set the legs up, then I just take this structure, set it on top and pull the tarp over, and it should give me everything I need to keep the rain and snow off for the winter. This is what the tarped boat looks like before I put the center beam in. You'll see where some of the rain has collected. So my new beam technique should eliminate that. This is what it looks like with that beam in the middle and the tent up effectively. So now I'll just button up the ends and it should be good for the winter. To prevent the end of the 2x4 from cutting through the tarp, I just took half of a towel, wadded it up and zip tied it here. Then I'll pull the tarp over the top of it. The plexiglass from the driver's position was pushing pretty hard on the tarp right here. So I took another partial section of bath towel, crawled inside the boat and just put it between the plexiglass and the tarp in hopes that it won't tear. This is what it looks like with everything buttoned up. So I put one extra wrap of rope around the body of this thing, just so when it's really windy, the stuff won't flap. I guess I could have hung some weights on the bottom, but I did crawl beneath the boat and I put a piece of rope that runs across from this one that runs down the side to the other side. So I have one piece of rope in the middle pulling the sides in. And you'll notice when I got this tarp, I put a carabiner on every one of the little grommets. It makes it a lot easier to run the rope through, and when you need to take the rope off for some reason, it's just a nice clean little transaction. I'll take a look under the boat now. You can see that rope running across there. And since this is the west end, I'll probably cut a piece of plywood or come in here with a bunch of duct tape and close off this end with the prevailing wind from the west. You know, this is going to take the majority of the wind load. So $25 for the 2x4s, $65 for the tarp at Harbor Freight. So for less than $100, this boat's covered up. For less than $100, this boat is covered up. Should be good for the spring. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.